Hi lovelies, welcome again to my kitchen. Today's recipe is Ero. Ero is cooking in my kitchen today. Ero is a recipe that does not need or does not require many ingredients. So the first ingredient we're going to be using for our Ero is cow skin. I have cow skin, I have red meat, I have crayfish, I have the Ero itself, I have dry fish, everything mixed in one. I just boiled all the meat together, and as I'm boiling I just added salt, maggi and everything into it, because when I'll be cooking the Ero I don't need to add salt and maggi again. And then the Ero itself, I decided to boil it very well in order to wash it thoroughly, because Ero that is dried from home, we don't know how it's being dried, so we need to take time to wash it very well so that we are sure that it's clean, and at times you have sand in it. So I boil the Ero, then I wash it thoroughly, and then now I just put my Ero into the pot for it to cook. Is the same pot I used to boil meat. So guys, so if you see anything at the corner of the pot, don't be afraid. It's the pot that I used to boil meat, and I just use the meat water to prepare the Ero. I just added a spinach into the Ero. This is fresh spinach. Sorry, I sliced and washed the spinach at the back of the camera or off camera. I didn't show it. And then I'll just go in now with my assorted meat. Yes, Ero is always very delicious when you have all type of meat inside. So I just added my meat right now, stir very well, and right now I'm just going in now with my palm oil. And guys, to prepare your Ero you need to be very generous with your palm oil too. That is one of the things that is very good for Ero. You need palm oil, enough palm oil. And then pepper, of course, fresh pepper or dry pepper, anyhow, anyone you want. But for me, I didn't add pepper into my own Ero because of some people in my family, they don't eat Ero, they don't eat pepper, sorry. And the last ingredient I'm going to be adding to my Ero is crayfish. Then I cover it to cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes. After that, yeah, our Ero is ready to serve. This is just a quick Ero recipe. If you want me to make a detailed recipe of how I prepare Ero, please leave your comment in the comment section below and I will gladly do that. And guys, you see the Ero took just 15 minutes to cook because, like I told you before, I already boiled the Ero very well until it is soft, because I wanted to wash it thoroughly. So guys, when you cook it like that already, so you don't need further cooking. So now it's time for me to test my Ero. Thank you so much, and please, up there are 2 videos, just click and watch. Thank you very much. Bye bye.